guys. So today we're going to be learning how to bathe chickens for a show, or just because you feel like you want to bathe the chicken, because some people do that for fun. For me personally, it's probably not the most fun thing I've ever done, but sometimes you can get it to a certain pace where you just kind of streamline it until you're done. So yes, we have a show this weekend that we're going to be going to. This will be Gavin's first show, I'm pretty sure. And so
my second.
Oh.
Yeah, I went to a chicken show first. Yeah.
But did you bring a chicken to it?
Yes, I did.
Okay, well this will be his first time bathing a chicken. I don't remember that.
Next time. Well, I remember it because I've done it before.
Alright, okay, anyways, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is right here. Right here we have a sink full of warm, soapy water. The soap that we use is Dawn, and that works great for killing mites that might be on the surface of the skin, and also the water to, yeah, okay. So, alright. So we're going to be starting with my chicken, and then Gavin, and then we're going to do Gavin's, alright? So, you're just going to try to gently set them in the water. This water is still a little bit chilly because there's a really small water heater. So, what is she eating? She's eating plastic. Gavin's chicken is eating plastic. So, the first thing I generally try to do is just get them 100% drenched, get some soap under the feathers, all around. Just lather them up. Near the vent especially, because that's a lot of times where mites like to live. Get some more water in here.
It's warm.
Yep. Just trying to get even more. And so scrub near the vent and in between the wattles without getting any soap in the eyes or in the ears. But you still need to get them nice and soaked. Alright, so once we've gotten him all the way soaked and scrubbed up, we will see you then. Okay, y'all, so we have gotten him super clean. Well, for the most part, we've soaked all of his feathers, other than the ones on the top of his head. We've cleaned his legs, gotten all the dirt off of the top of his skin. Okay, now we just drained out all of the water, and we're going to spray out all the soap. Oh, no, ah! And we've also gotten completely soaked today, so there's that. Move your hands. Oh, there he goes. And this is why, whenever we bathe larger chickens that you can't just pick up and put back, we have a bin that we fill with warm water. So like there's that one right there, and then we have a blue one, which is actually outside. It's a little bit taller for the roosters, but we use that to soak them in, and they kind of bathe themselves for the most part, unless they're like really, really dirty. And then when they're done, we just kind of rinse them off. What are you doing, Gavin? Go. Okay. Anyways, so we've gotten all the water out, and the water heater should have some more water warmed up for us. Close this back again somehow, okay. And then turn on the warm water. Don't want to burn him, obviously. And then this guy's pretty sweet, so he'll just kind of stand under it for the most part, unless he jumps like that. But he's not going to flap his wings and, you know, go crazy. He might try to jump out, but he's pretty docile. So, Gavin, come here. Come on. So, we'll rinse him off. Make sure to get all the soap out because we don't want him being itchy tomorrow. We also don't want the judge to find anything that shouldn't be on him. Make sure to get all of the important parts. The reason why cleaning underneath the vent, or near the vent, and under the wattles is quite important is because those are the warmer areas, and that's where mites like to hang out all the time. And also, they're generally some of the more dirtier areas. Okay. Alright, once you think you've gotten all of the soap off, for the most part, or well, all the soap off. Gavin! Okay. Alright, so once you've gotten him rinsed off, Then you can go ahead and wrap him in a towel.
Yep.
Gently enough to not break any feathers.
Yes, and then when you're done drying, you can put them in a crate.
Well, this isn't our only thing that we dry with. We're just trying to get the majority of the soap off. The majority of the water off. And then we are going to blow dry him. And blow dryers can be kind of scary for some people because they're afraid that they're going to burn them. But, you know, as long as you hold your hand up to their skin while you're blow drying them, and you're making sure it's not burning them, obviously, then usually they are fine. Some chickens are just more scared of it, so sometimes you have to like wrap them in a towel and just kind of gently blow. Okay, alright, so we're going to get the blow dryer out and do some laps of that. Alright y'all, so now that he is dry he's got a couple broken feathers, but it's really hard to bathe the chicken without breaking any feathers. But he is dry and clean and murky. And so that chicken is gross. Gavin, show them how gross she is. Look at those feet. That's gross.
That is gross.
That is definitely gross. Okay. Alright, so now that he is all dry and clean, that is how I bathe chickens. There are everybody has their own opinions on how to do theirs, and they have their own favorite ways to do theirs. But this is the simple, easy way that I've found to do this. Alright, so now we're going to see if Gavin can do it just like I did. Y'all, well, if you ask me, I think Gavin did a great job. Need a little bit of help with the blow drying, but she looks great. She's super duper clean and healthy and ready for the show tomorrow. Alright, well, if you got it this far, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantabulous day. If you want to see a time-lapse of us doing all of the other chickens that we still have to do, just go to my page and I will have it bookmarked to the top. Alright, Thank you. Bye.